Hey guys, thanks for checking in. Today I'm working on the Project 67 daily driver. So today I'm going to be trying to mask some of this. Well, I'm not crazy about the repaint on this car. If it was Zenith blue, I'd be good with that, but I'm not crazy about the color. So we're going to try some different rims on the car. I've got a roof rack from the 56 oval that I'm going to throw on there. I'm not crazy about roof racks on a lot of cars, but hell, if it detracts from the color, I'm all for that. So we'll go through this car, and this is what I'm going to be driving. I've got some truck issues and Project 67 daily. Love it or hate it, it's coming your way. Should have put an elastic around that. So what do you guys think? Roof rack or no roof rack? I think it goes with the car. It helps with the color. The gray on blue. I'm gonna vote yes on the roof rack. Let me know what you guys think. So let's check out some wheels. Alright guys, are you ready to put the Fuke fake or non-fake saga to bed? What do we have here? Oh, just look at that center cap. I mean, it doesn't mean the rims are fake, but that center cap is like repop all over it. Not that I know what a real Porsche center cap looks like, because I wouldn't. So we're just gonna go with Fakearooski, because I don't see any 911 castings. The quality of this wheel just doesn't seem to be what a real Porsche wheel would, I'm assuming, would be. Anyway, let's try to get these on the old 67, see what we can do. I don't think they're gonna fit, but let's try it. Okay, well the Fukes weren't even close. Plan B, I got the 63 rag top out, and I think we're just gonna take the chromies off of this car, and we'll throw them on that one. All right, off with the stockers. I always try to jack the car about the height. Much easier to put the tire on. Unless, of course, you're putting different size tires on, obviously. All right. Look at that, nice and solid in there. See, this car is solid. I'll tell you why I bought this baby blue car. Look at that inner channel. Solid. And yes, I found a hood in the box fan, a 67 hood. So let's get over here. Let's get this bad boy off of here. Alright, well here's what we have so far. Is it just me, or does that fender look like it needs to be pulled forward? This car was hit and had a clip welded on, but anyway. So we got that, or that. Like I said, if I could just paint that drum black, I might just roll that. Let's throw the hubcap on and see what we got. So there it is. It's got the steely chromy steelies, whatever you want to call them. I threw a hubcap on the front. I think I'm just going to run the rear look. So let's take a look at it with just the steelies. So that's it. I'm going with this chrome steely look. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for this first segment of Project 67 Daily Driver. I'm happy with the way it came out. I actually like the roof rack. I like the steelies, no hubcaps. Just gonna get those drums painted in the spring, probably silver, Master Series. We'll get that hood done in the spring. So thank you again for all the support you guys have given me on this channel. I can't say thank you enough. I really, really, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and get after your projects. All right, take care, guys.